one who claimed to have been to space was lying. The other girls in the group started nodding in agreement, saying things like, now that you mention it, I've never really seen space. I just went home. 6. At a family gathering. It was a birthday party for one of my Sil's kids. It was a nice day and we were all outside while the kids played with all of their friends and cousins, having a great time while we adults caught up and enjoyed the music and weather. Then we all hear the terrified scream of a small child. One of the kids ran up and said Sean is hurt. We all ran over and there he was with blood pouring from a gash on his head. He had stumbled while running and went head first into the fence and an exposed nail. Every single adult starts freaking out, running around and not helping this 4-year-old child who was screaming in fear and pain. WTF did they do when their own kids got hurt? Question mark. Husband and I were surrounded by not only idiots but dithering, panicking, hand-flapping, weak-stomached idiots. Husband and I picked him up and took him into the bathroom and we were able to calm him down while we cleaned the approximately 1+ wound and looked for non-existent bandages. Really? In a house with 4 kids? Exclamation mark. And told him how brave he was and that he was going to get stitches but that it would only hurt a little bit, etc. And that's sweet.